In this video, we're going to work on frequency tables. So if we have a problem like this that says, Mr. Wright interviewed his students to find out what their favorite color was. He recorded the answers in the table below. So he has a little table here and he wrote down everyone's favorite color. So blue, orange, pink, purple, and so on, right? And it looks like he has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4, 16 kids in his class, okay? And then it says use the data to complete the frequency table. And here you record the favorite color. So here's the color and then here's the frequency, okay? So frequency just means the number of times that you see one specific thing, right? So let's go through it. First thing to do is kind of color code these so that you could see them a little bit better, right? So we make blue, blue, orange, orange, pink, pink, purple, purple, etc., right? Then count the different colors and put them in the table. So we have 4 blues, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next color is orange, and we only have 2 oranges. So let's put that in the table. See, so 2 oranges, 2. Okay, then the next one is pink. Let's count the pinks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 pinks. Then the next one is purple, and there's only 1, 2 purples. So there's purple 2. Then we're gonna work on the red one. And the red one, there's only 1. So we just put in red is 1 here. Then black, there's only 1. So let's put 1 for black. And then I think the last color is green. So there's only 1 green. So let's put 1 green. And that's how you do a frequency table. So the frequency table is now complete and you've done the problem. It wasn't very difficult. And don't worry if you can't do it right away. Just rewatch the video. You're probably one explanation away from understanding this. And if you need to look at other resources, if you look in my description, you'll see links to my other videos that are related to this. And also you can download my ebook and you can follow along with the ebook and you can make notes in there as well. So don't worry, anyone can do math.